Festival Battle of the Bands 2018
goes to...
Wait. The second runner-up Kankanen Festival Battle of the Bands 2018 goes to Cinco Salvaje! Congratulations! As the second runner-up for Kankanen Festival Battle of the Bands 2018. Please stay on the stage. Please stay on the stage on the right side. Thank you. Sorry, on the left side. All right. For the first runner-up, Kankanen Festival Battle of the Bands 2018. Who's your band?
Festival Battle of the Bands
2018 first runner-up goes to Kultura Band! Congratulations, Kultura! They have the highest number of participants. Kultura Band. Again, congratulations, Kultura Band. Please stay on the right side of the stage. Kultura Band, please stay on the right side of the stage. And now to award the champion for the Kankanen Festival Battle of the Bands 2018. May we please call in the presence of Attorney Joshua Viray, Municipal Councilor Evangeline Pitorao,
So here it is.
so here it is. The Kankanen Festival Battle of the Bands 2018 champion goes to the champion for Kankanen Festival Battle of the Bands 2018 goes to no other than Super 123. Congratulations! World Events who joined and supported our Battle of Events 2018, and we hope to see you next year. Thank you so much. All right, please. Please proceed to the